How to see Lyft price estimate before booking. First, you want to simply open the Lyft application, and inside the Lyft application, what you basically want to do is on this home page, you want to simply tap on where are you going over here, and by doing so, you'd be able to choose your destination over there. Once you have chosen your destination, you'd be able to see all kinds of ride options over here and their estimated price of the booking as well. Here, if you're looking for however, if you're looking for something cheap, you can simply select this Lyft shared option over here. However, Lyft shared is a kind of a feature that However, Lyft shared is a kind of a person that may include other passengers and additional stops to your ride as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.